this module, learn how to create a quote, add estimated tasks, time materials, expenses, and invoicing milestones to your quote. Head to the Quotes tab and select New Quote. Give the quote a code and a name. The code will be automatically generated if you don't enter your own one. Also, add a customer. Click More Settings, then choose a project group. Project groups can separate out your projects by particular scopes of work. The salesperson is the quote manager. Other users can be assigned as peer estimators under role assignment. This means they can also view and edit this quote, but the salesperson is the main manager of this quote. Add tasks under the time plan. Create top-level parent tasks by clicking New Task. You can also add subtasks or child tasks by clicking the green plus icon next to the main task. Under Effort, add the number of hours expected to complete each task or subtask. Once you add effort to a task, you won't be able to delete it or add subtasks to it. Remove the hours from the effort column first, then you'll be able to make edits again. Assign time to the role types on the right. If we add 2 hours to the junior staff rate, notice that the balance on the left has decreased to 8 hours. This is the difference between what we scheduled on the left and the number of hours originally assigned to this task. Above, we've got amounts for cost and revenue. As we assign further roles to these tasks, we get more information, which gives us a price and budget for this quote. Under the Material Plan, set up a list of material items that you plan to use for this quote. Click New Planned Material, select an item, and enter the quantity needed. You can see the cost and charge of each item, but you can also override the charge to add markup. If there are some materials you don't want to charge out, you can untick On Charge. Under the expense plan, think of these as sundry expenses, e.g. airline flights and coffees. You can classify them into billable and non-billable amounts. Under the Invoicing tab, we've got price types for quotes. They can be based on time and materials or a fixed price. If we set this as a fixed price job and enter amount, we can set up milestones. Under Milestones, set up an invoice amount by clicking New Milestone. Once this milestone is achieved, it can be invoiced. Then click Save and you've finished creating a quote.